Right, we here in La Cita, this Pib and the Sons, doing another little screen repair. Hello. We got the one center roof panel. Ah, you see it flapping there. Just a little telltale sign. We got something going on. All right. If you need any screen repair in Brevard County area, give us a call 321-505-7537. We are not YouTube professionals. Feel free to try this at home if you want to. So here we go. Hey. Woo. Okay. So what they did was overlap that screen. When they overlapped the screen, you see that one screened in. This one is over the 2x2. You know, that's okay. It happens a lot in the center of the state. And certain times, like here, I mean, these purlins are extremely close together. Okay, so you ran over that one. But what happens is, in the long run, when you have a panel go out, you have to really, you end up doing the whole thing. You end up doing where it could have been one panel, now it's going to be two. And customers don't like that. They don't understand it. A lot of them don't. And that's just enough to make a difference. So what happened here, I remember being here last time, and we had to do this panel here. And what I ended up doing, because of this overlapping, I tucked this old panel in here. I believe it's because she didn't want to do it, the whole thing. So here it is. It's probably been a year. It lasted a year. I mean, that's pretty good. I don't remember exactly, but I guess if it saves them that much time, that's good. Stay tuned. That'd be a good time for me to talk about those secrets you're just trying to keep from your wife. No? What secrets? These are your secrets. I don't keep secrets. Secrets are bad, okay? I don't know why, I just felt like Rain Man saying that. Secrets are bad, secrets are bad.
You look like Rain Man saying that.
I feel like Rain Man. I don't. So this is panel is actually overlapped. Not sure how if we're gonna just do the one or do the two. She called us for the one. Obviously, she thinks it's the one, but
There's two. Kind of hoping I got that off the 8-foot roll. It might have been the 6. You look back like, what? Huh? It ain't that far down.
what's up?
It ain't that far down. I feel like I got some golfers that are lining up towards us. No, not down that way, down the other way. We'll see how that goes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I saw it.
Bam. That's an osprey. That's the culprit right there.
Drop it to the roof.
Alright, bro, you got 5 minutes. This is just about the longest roof panel ever.
Oh, I barely caught it.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's what you did though.
Huh?
Yeah, well, that's what you did. Still gotta get the spine out. You still gotta get the spine out. It's a little windy.
About that technique I was doing. I might have messed that up.
Yep. Something tells me over this direction towards that blue flag over there. So, you know, if he shanks it good enough, you might get a piece of it. Bunker. Another panel?
I was trying to save her screen by only doing one panel, tucking it in underneath and knew what we were doing. Screen tore. I'll take the next one for you.
Alright, so what size?
Woo! Yeah, right there. Bro, there ain't nobody trying to eat. You know what we need right now?
Some music?
Grill or no grill?
Grill, no grill, bro.
Where's my chicken wing? What's his name? Alex. One more. How's the chicken coming along? It's good, boss. I can see him doing that like Italian, you know. Mwah. It's
Yeah.
magnificent.
I can see him doing that too.
Hey man, at least the screen ain't short this time.
I was watching you pull it up there. I was like, oh no.
Get.
Drop that knife again.
Whoops.
Cameraman's gonna move.
What?
The cameraman's gotta move.
Did you say cameraman has to poop?
Has to move. This isn't a rectangular or square pool, so there's an opportunity for me to fall in.
That would be awesome.
That would be super awesome with your phone.
I have insurance, man.
That's all right. Mine's waterproof.
Woo! They say mine was.
It was.
Until it went in the water. Oh, he caught us.
Yeah, we don't cover water damage.
Ow! I stabbed myself. So the chiropractor was talking about, so what do you do? I was telling him, oh, he was like, oh, so you're like crouched down, you're stretching far out, You're climbing all the time. Yeah, it's about time for you to be in here. Yeah,
It's past time, bro.
faster. On Titusville train. Oh, come on. Bloop. Bloop.
Oh, is that what I heard?
You hear the golf ball?
I heard it bounce.
He's like, oh yeah? People gonna say something? I got something. George, aim it at the house. Shut those guys up real quick. We don't even say 4. All right, if you need some screen repair done, 321-505-7537.